Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Darrow here with another Options in Play video update. I think it's safe to say that people have pretty much lost interest in a lot of these meme slash heavily shorted names. The action on GME, this chart I have up here, Bed Bath and Beyond, right? AMC, just a lot of really lousy action over the last few months, and I think in addition to a lot of overall market weakness and crypto weakness, it just seems to have sucked some of the interest out of these meme stocks. Um, and I'm gonna preface this with saying, I don't know if this is going to be the quarter where GameStop has a huge move, but I will say that this is probably the most interesting technical setup on GameStop going through an earnings report in quite a while. Um, so if you've listened to the videos I've done, you know that I often prefer stocks head into earnings in a consolidation versus straight up or straight down. The reason being that from a consolidation typically comes expansion, right? As the stocks resolve the consolidation or the range, typically uh, you see an expansion in movement on the stock, and you also see expansion in implied volatility on the options, because when the stock goes through a consolidation, it really can suck the premium out of options because the overall volatility dries up, right? So, what better catalyst for GameStop to resolve this 3.5 month range than an earnings report, right? So I feel like, again, I have no idea what happens this week. All I can look at and really judge is like the quality of the setup, and I will say that this is, to me, one of the more interesting setups of any names reporting this week, and for GameStop, it's one of the more interesting setups in a couple of years. Both because the stock has been super tight, really well defined levels both on the upside and the downside, with room above and room below if it breaks out or breaks down. Also, the option pricing is a lot more reasonable than it has been in the past, because again, the lack of movement over the last few months has really like sucked some of the premium out of the contract. So if it's particularly good, particularly bad, breaks out, breaks down, seems like there could be a nice pent up move, especially after doing nothing for several months. So to me, this could be one of the more interesting names to watch. So I think it's maybe something you want to keep on your radar, just depending on what the numbers look like and what the action looks like after. Okay. So if you like this video and you're looking for more information about trading events with options, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options to play. Have a great night, stay well, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.